frog body systems, the heart and circulatory system. The circulatory system of the frog is comprised of blood, the blood vessels, and the heart. So this is the heart, and you can see it right there. When getting to the heart, there is some kind of an internal skin around it, maybe a little bit of fat around it, and some blood vessels. But you can hold it with your forceps, your tweezers, and you can cut it out, or you can use your scalpel. Now, we want to try to open up the heart. And again, there's a couple of ways that you could do this. You can pin it down in your dissecting pan, or you can hold it with the tweezers and then try to slice it open. Now, the reason why we want to slice this open is that we want to look at the 3 chambers of the frog's heart. So remember, this frog has been laying on its back. So its heart has the left and right switch because it's on its back. So here we see the 2 atria and the single ventricle. So that's different from the human heart because we have 2 atria and 2 ventricles. So the left atrium, right here, receives oxygenated blood from the lungs by way of the pulmonary vein. A vein, by definition, is a vessel that transports blood towards the heart. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from a vein called the sinus venosus. Now, what's different is that in our blood, or in our heart, our blood, oxygenated and deoxygenated, doesn't mix, but that's not the same in the frog. The ventricle here receives its blood from both atria and tries not to mix them. It then pumps the blood out an artery. The deoxygenated blood enters the lung vessel first, which feel and force mostly oxygenated blood to bypass. So again, very different from us because ours will not mix because of a septum, because of a separation between the 2 chambers. So artery, by definition, a vessel that carries blood away from the heart. The third type of blood vessel besides the arteries and veins are called capillaries. They connect veins and arteries, and each can be as small as a red blood cell in diameter. So capillaries are kind of the connection or the connection system. They can bring nutrients, oxygen, and glucose to every cell. They can also remove waste, like carbon dioxide, from every cell. They transfer gases in the alveoli of the lungs, so that's part of the respiratory system, and also in the skin of the frog. So you should see a lot of blood vessels in the skin of the frogs. And then they transfer nutrients and waste in the digestive system.